Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Car Help For You. So, this is obviously the Astra. It's a Vauxhall. We've got the Astra. This car, for those of you who don't know, we bought it from Copart auction. It was damaged. We've been building the front end, had electric problems, we fixed that. However, one thing this car didn't have was MOT. And in order to put it on the UK roads, you do need an MOT. So, today we shot it in for its MOT. We done all our checks. We just wanted to see if it passes or it fails. So it went in, it passed, as you can see there, the MOT passed. Monitor and repair if necessary. These are advisories which they recommend to be done, and typically speaking, you should just do them straight away. Once they're done, they're out of the way, can be forgotten. However, if you don't do them, maybe before the next MOT, they're going to get a lot more worse, they can cause you damage. In some cases, they can just start to kill your car. So this one has got headlamp, has a product on the lens, but not seriously reducing light output. This one, guys, I dealt with it. What it was is, before we sent the car in, we tried to clean it, and what we tried it with was a chemical that was given to myself. So I sprayed it on, and that chemical, it dried quite fast, and I wasn't able to clean it all off. And I thought, you know what, I'll do it after the MOT when I do the valet of the car. He's put it down. That's not a problem. We can clean that off. We'll do that ourselves. So that's very minor. Obviously, as you can see, the both, it's not just the one, so that's fine. We did buy one headlight, so if it was just the one, I'd understand, but it's two, so it definitely makes sense. Brake disc worn, pitted or scarred, but not seriously weakened. This one we'll do the brake pads. As you can see at the bottom, it says brake pads wearing thin, rear. We're going to do all round brake discs and brake pads. This will get done shortly. Probably won't film it because it isn't very interesting. It is quite a lengthy procedure. Anyway, the next one is subframe, pin or bush worn, but not resulting in excessive movement. This one, guys, while it was in the MOT test centre, I didn't have a chance myself, so I just told the guys, listen, sort it out, do it. They've done that. Obviously, they got the MOT done first. Afterwards, they've gone ahead and sorted that out. So that one we can eliminate. The top one we can eliminate. We've got two left, brake pads and brake discs. So the car, it's basically is roadworthy. It's passed, so it has been given the roadworthy. See, it is the Vauxhall Astra. I've covered the the VIN number, sorry, I couldn't get my words out there. It is a 56 plate one, the one you remember. Covered the address and that anyway, just so they don't say anything. So anyway, guys, this is that. MOT has been completed. One problem we occurred after the MOT is this. The one on the car right now was after the MOT. Went back, MOT was passed. I was like, okay, I'll pick the car up. Obviously, guys, I've taxed it and I haven't insured on the car, so it's perfectly fine to pick up. I went to pick it up and had some stuff in the boot. Spoke to the lads, they said the boot was perfectly fine at the MOT centre there. When we checked it, we checked the spare wheel, it was perfectly fine. So obviously this has gone afterwards, which doesn't surprise me from being a Copart car. This, all it is, guys, is it goes in the boot and it's a lock mechanism. The lock goes in there. What you do is you put pressure in there and it locks up. As you can see, if there's a little pin that goes through there, that would be locked right now, and then you have to release it. Plugs into a switch from there. This particular one I've got in my hand right now, I had to go and get from a scrapyard. I tried to find one online. They weren't that cheap, considering I've just bought an Astra. Is 2006, it just shouldn't be expensive, but they were quite pricey. Dealerships are stupid prices. You can just take this out and fit it yourself. So if we head over to the back, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by the boot doesn't open, and then I'll show you how to open the boot as well. So if your boot doesn't open on any of the car, I'll show you how to open that as well, which I'll also make a separate video for as well, so people don't have to watch the Copart rebuild. They can just get straight to opening the boot. And we will replace this. We won't be doing it today. This is just a quick video to show you what was wrong, give you a further update. I haven't disappeared. We haven't forgot about this car. We are still doing work on it, and it will be up and running soon. Since the MOT is done today, it's going to get a wash, and it's also going to get a new chemical which we're going to do on the car. Check out the separate video for that. We're going to see if it works or not, so I can't tell you if it's going to work or not. It's going to make the tyres, the alloys, the wheel trim, bleed. So let's see if that works or not. Anyway, if we head over to the back of the car and we'll see if the boot opens. Obviously, I was just sat inside the car. This is the switch, and you see, nope, pressing it, it's not working. So it's locked. So what we need to do is we need to head over to the actual inside of the car, and we need a straight face screwdriver. So just 1 second while I grab a screwdriver. So guys, as you can see, sorry about that. As you can see, the seats are already down. We've got direct access for the boot. You can see this hole there. This might be, can you see? Yes, you can. So this might be covered up with a little plastic seal or rubber, or you just pop it off. So all you got to do is put your screwdriver in straight and just twist it. This one's too small, and I don't think this one's going to reach all the way. Right guys, I'm going to go get another screwdriver. I've got 2 stupid screwdrivers. I made a silly mistake. Let me go get one more. Right, I'm back. So what I've done this time, so I've got a chisel because I couldn't find a bigger screwdriver, and I've also got another screwdriver which is a little bit bigger than the previous one. We'll try it in. So all you got to do is put it in and twist. That little click and the boot was open, as you can see. What you can see outside. Some other cars will have it down here, but all you got to see, this car, how can I have it down here when we've got this trim here? So it's got to be there. Just an emergency release latch. You don't need the battery or anything connected. If you've got a scrapyard, bang, it's open, job done. Anyway guys, we're going to do this. We're going to valet the car. I'll show you in a separate video of the wheels. I'm not going to show you how to wash a car because, well, if you own a car, you should not wash it and hoover it. That's what we're going to do. And then we're going to get some nice pictures of this car, and I'll show you the pictures in a separate video. Anyway guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.